How to change password on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change your password on your Gmail account. So the first step would be for you to log into your Gmail account, and then once you're logged in, to the top left corner where you can see three vertical lines, three horizontal lines, sorry, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, a page will be displayed. On this page, the next step will be for you to scroll down until you can see the settings option, which is located below contact. So by clicking on settings, we brought to the settings page. On this page, you can see some settings like general settings for all of your Google accounts. Select the Google account whose password you would like to change. So by selecting the Google account, we brought to your settings page. On this page, the next step is for you to scroll down until you can see the option security. Okay. If you cannot find it, the next step for you to do is to scroll back up and then select the first option, which is under account, which is manage your Google account. By selecting that, you will be taken to another page. On this page, you would see your name, your email bodily written, and then just below that, you'll see some tabs which include home, personal info, data and privacy, then security. So click on security. On the securities page, you'll see details, biosecurity, you'll see two-step verification, security code, passkey and security keys, then password. So click on password and then you'll be taken to the next page where you can now change your password. And so you can see this is how the password page looks like. The next step would be for you to enter in the new password that you want to change it to. Then scroll down, confirm the new password, then move to the bottom right corner, click on change password, and then just like that, the password would be changed. I still want to retain the password I'm using. That's why I'm not changing my password. But for you, just follow these procedures, click on change password, and then just like that, your password is changed and you're set to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.